revolving machine head ingeniously preserve bales of hay in plastic rolls. Synchronized rotary motion of machine arms wipe out weeds and nourish soils. Collected hay gets warped and turned into firm cylindrical hay bales. Grape tree dry branches gets crushed between spinning jaws and disposed of. Screw conveyor feeds suitably knead clay into molds on spinning wheel to cast brick. Hay bale multidirectional rotation results in perfect plastic wrapping. Suitably spaced steel bars are used as strainer to clean farm soils from stones. Simultaneous clamping of tree trunk and upward pulls results in tree uprooting. Drum's uniform axial rotation results in evenly colored spray paint. Creative mechanism converts continuous rotation to regular discrete angular increments. For mechanical parts move coordinated to forms triangular bracket from straight steel bar. Coordinated rotation of perpendicular wheels producer uniformly copper winding. Powder medicine gets compacted into pills and collected. Tractor is steered to align hay bales with trolley lifting arm for subsequent loading. Dragged grillage of loosely fixed steels wires clean weeds and nourish soil. Package and stopping handle work together to topple package upside down. Advanced sensors gadgetry is employed to ensure operational and quantity control.
lengthy polyethylene sheet is automatically formed into bags for food preservations.
Items-filled bags are mechanically tied with golden ribbon. Field gets skillfully leveled by motorized screws conveyor. Animal feed gets transported and uniformly distributed among cattle. Food is pressed into spherical shapes by two inversely rotating screws. Synchronized movement of 5 mechanical parts form metal rod into helix. Powerful torque machine bends steel rebar with smooth round corner. Inked blob imprint iris texture on synthetic lenses. Heavy press systematically bend metallic sheet to form duct. Precisely set up chains on tire provide better vehicle traction in the snow. Rotating slotted gear body move the entire set of 8 jaws in unison. Oscillating toothed tool remove excess workpiece material to manufacture gear. Identical moving parts gets aligned by ingeniously designed track. Sharp chisels are forged from heated metallic rod.